Sir, he was fighting. Talking today. Always like this. Okay, see. Helping. 3.2 unsolved exercise page number Yeah. Right, one more question. Yes, sir. Yes. Which is better investment? Which is which is better investment? Right. 8% at 120. 8% at 120 or 12% at 90. 8% at 120 or 12% at 90. Written. Now, there are two investments are given. Write down. For the first company, I will give the explanation. For the first company, face value is equal to 100, market value is equal to 120, face value is equal to 100, market value is equal to 120, and rate of dividend is equal to, how much dividend percentage is equal to 12%. So find out the return percentage. 8%, no? 12% or 8%? 8%. Okay. Dividend percent is 8%. Now write dividend percent into nominal value or face value. Dividend percent into face value is equal to return percentage into market value. So what is the dividend percentage given? 8%, no? 8 by 100 into 100 is equal to return percent, we don't know, R by 100 into 120. 8 into 100 divided by 120 is equal to R. How much you got? Return percent is 8%. 8%. How much you got? 6.6. So it is coming as 80 by 12, 20 by 3. 6.6. Okay, is equal to 6.67 percentage. 6.67 percentage. Second company. Now right. Face value 100. Face value is 100. Market value is equal to 90. And dividend percent is how much? 12%, no? 12%. For the second company, face value is equal to 100, market value is equal to 90, dividend percent is equal to how much? 12%. So apply the same. 12 by 100 into 100 is equal to R by 100 into 90. 12 into 100 by 90. So what will you get? R is equal to how much? 40 40 by 3. Is or not 90? 13 point. So, which company has the better investment? Second company, because the return is more. Understood or not?
Yes.
Sometimes it is given the questions you have to read and analyze. Okay. So it is only the market value is given, common face value will come as the same common one, that is 100 rupees. Alright, okay, this much. Now when the question comes we will discuss. Yes, my dear. Okay. Huh? Football has. You only wanted him now? Yeah. Question. Come to the exercise. Unsolved exercise 3.2. Where is the volume? Whose volume? Whose volume is that one? Where is the volume? So then point. Asu, have to shift you back? Yes. Okay. So, now read the question.
A man buys 75 rupees 100 shares of a company which pays.
Read now. Read.
Which pays 9% dividend. He buys shares at such a price that he gets 12% of his money. At what price did he buy the shares?
So, look, you get one for me, okay? Right, number of shares equal to 75. That's why you went back, no? Number of shares equal to 75. Face value is equal to what do you? Face value is equal to 100 rupees. Dividend percent is 9%. Return percent is equal to 12%. You have to find out the market value. So write the formula: dividend percent into face value. Dividend percent into face value is equal to return percent into market value. Put the value 75. Don't need to put dividend percentage. How much? 9 by 100. Into face value is how much? 100. Return percent is 12 by 100 into MV. How much you got? 75 got. Market value is equal to 75 rupees. Market value is equal to 75 rupees. Copy or record. In this case, you know, the number of shares was not required. Okay, there is a condition. Now, over here, there is another way to get us, annual income and all. Then return. There is a direct method. If you are not using this formula, first you will get annual income. Then from there, income upon investment into 100%. Then from there, you will get us a rate of return and all. That all things you will be complicated form. You will get us which one investment from their market value and all. So this is direct formula. Next, otherwise read the second question. Okay, tell what are the values are given in this question. MV, market value 100. So face value or nominal value, okay, 100. Then tell market value is how much? Almost. Market value is. You tell why you are looking at him. Market value is Standard there. Market value is 120, 100 plus 20, 100, 120. Then return percentage is equal to 15%, and what you need to find out?
Profit equals 15%.
Huh.
Rupees 120.
Sit down. Return percent is 15%. You have to find out dividend percentage. Sit down. Write down. Face value is equal to 100 rupees. Market value. Write down. Face value is equal to 100 rupees. Market value. Part, are you doing the sum? Market value 120 rupees. Return percent is equal to 15%. Then write the formula and substitute. Dividend percent into face value is equal to return percent into market value. Substitute and simplify, get the answer. Still the both are sitting and talking. Then last part now, get the answer. Did you get the answer? You could not find out what is face value and market value. Before that you got the answer. You have a volume with you? Yes. Move to this side. Oh, sitting and talking away. Got the answer? Nadar got the answer? We are doing the second one. You have to calculate the dividend percentage. Dividend percentage into face value is coming as 100. Equal to return percentage is how much? 15 by 100 into 120. Got the answer? How much you got? 18. Dividend percentage is equal to 18%. Which question you are doing? Now why you are asking him without help you cannot do?
No, I'm just asking him. He got it wrong, so
He got it. Oh. Why are you looking in this book?
We are doing it
There is no need to include. You only came to him now. I separately made it to them.
Unity was.
Sir, I'm solving answer very problem.
Shut up.
Yeah. Nadar, sorry, Saddam.
Say poking fun.
Always in the second lecture you have some problem with it. Yeah. Completed all of you? Third question. Next, Parth, read the question third.
Company declares 8% dividend to its shareholders. If a man received rupees 2,814 as a dividend, find the nominal value of his shares.
Okay, so you have to find the nominal value of the shares. What is this 8? 8% is the dividend percentage, and you don't have the nominal value. And this one, amount man received 2840. Number of shares is not given now. You consider if number of shares is not given means you take it as 1 as the number of shares. Then you will get the total dividend. That is your dividend of the nominal value of the shares. Understood or not? We don't have, this is the total. You can imagine this one as the received annual income of 1 share you take. So right, let the number of shares equal to 1. N is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. Dividend percent is equal to 8%. Annual income is equal to 2840. Annual income is equal to 2840. Then, right, annual income is equal to NRF. Annual income is equal to NRF. Replace and get the answer. N is 1, R is given, you have to get the face value. Aditi, what is the other method you have to explain? Let's finish it up after that. Wait, no, I can't explain without can explain. You can read what he wrote. Okay, but let others get the answer. What's the answer? What's the answer?
35,000.
35,000, 33,000. What is it? 35,500.
35,500.
Different. Why different answers coming? 2840, no? Yes or no? Is equal to 1 into rate of dividend is how much? 8. 500 into face value. So F is equal to 2840 into 100 divided by 8. So answer is how much? 33? 35,500. 35,500. All of you got the same answer? Yes, this man Arush wanted to tell something. Tell now. You have to ask, tell.
Dividend percent is 8.
Dividend percent is 8. Okay. Akshara, you will explain to him. Then quiet. No shame only. Yeah.
If dividend percent is 8 and annual income is 2840, then if we divide 28 annual income by 8%, so we get 1%.
Annual income by 8%. Why are you dividing annual?
Only 8. So we get 1% salary. Then we multiply the 100 to get total.
Why are you dividing by 8? 8% of what?
Then so we get 1%.
8% of something is equal to annual income.
Okay.
Yes or no? So that is why you are taking cross multiplication, is it or not? 8% of x is equal to this one. Therefore x is equal to this divided into 100 by 8. That's the real thing you are telling now. Okay. Only one confusion was there. What is the number of shares over there? Okay, if not given means stand up, Nada.
Sorry, sir.
Nada, stand up.
Sorry.
Aditya, Nada, stand up.
Not writing, sir. Sir, written, sir. I have done.
Yeah, I have seen. Yeah, what is the point? You come here. Take the book. Take
Sir,
the
sorry,
note.
sir, my last
Notebook.
time.
I said to move from there. Yeah.
You know what's the
Left side.
Yeah. Move. The last lecture, when did you write? They sit over there. Take the pen also. Yeah. Quick. Hello. We just. You stand up. Watch it in a second. Yeah.
Have a second.
Okay. Now nobody is touching you, no? Question. Now there is a question number 3 is done. Question number 4. Okay. Sarah, read the question. Sorry, Vidhi, read the question. She did not read the question today. Read.
A man buys 420.
Which question are you reading?
The company declares a
Huh? Question number 4. Okay. No need to show this way. Read. Tell the question number.
The company declares a dividend of 11.2% to all its shareholders.
Okay.
If its 60 share is available in the market at a premium of 20%, find how much it profits.
Akshara, stand. Wait. Akshara, stand up. Did you hear to stand? I am telling you to stand. Move to this side, to the other side. Did you hear? Don't tell me all this story and all. I'll bring you over here to sit. Then move to this side. Today, how many times I called you?
So this time it was added.
Yeah, so Aditi, I will send you. First, you move to that side. Fast. Not required. Not required. inside. Further means I will send someone over here. Okay. Yeah.
Invest in buying the shares of this company in order to have an annual income of rupees 1,600.
Find how much should we invest. Okay. So this one. So what all things are there? So sum invested you need to get. For sum invested means you have to get what is the market value should be there. Do you have the market value? Yes. Do you have the number of shares? No. Where is the number of shares?
I found it.
So first annual income is there. So right, what all things are there? Then we will start. Okay. So right, dividend percent is equal to rate of dividend is equal to 11.2%. Rate of dividend is equal to 11.2%. Market face value is equal to 60 rupees. Face value is equal to 60 rupees. Market value is equal to 60 plus 25% of 60. 60 plus 25 by 600 into 60. Find out. How much? 75. Okay, market value, you got it. Then, next is annual income is equal to 1680. Annual income is equal to 1680. Then write annual income is equal to NRF. Annual income is equal to NRF. 1680 is equal to N we don't have, R is there, 11.2 divided by 100, face value is 60. Solve it and get the value of N. Value of N, after that you can get sum invested. Got it? What is the X?
X is the number of shares.
How much you got the number of shares?
250.
How much you got 250?
Yes.
This one when you cross multiply, so 1680 into 100 into 1000 by 112 into 60 equal to N. What the value is equal to 250?
Yes.
Therefore, sum invested. Investment is equal to 250 into 75. How much?
18,750
Rupees 18,750. Multiplication done. 18,750 rupees. Completed.
Yes.
Question number 4. Some are calculating, some are just writing only. Okay. Akhilesh, question for read the next question.
A man buys 400 20 shares at a discount of 20% and receives a return of 12% on his money. Calculate the amount invested by him, the rate of dividend paid by the broker.
Okay. So 400 is there. And so you direct question I think. Is it or not? A return also is there. So write down number of shares equal to 400. Face value is equal to how much is given? 20 rupees. Market value 20 minus 20% of 20.
It's 16.
20 minus 20 by 100 into 20, that is equal to 16. That's the market value. Return percent is equal to 12%. Return percent is equal to 12%. Next, amount invested is equal to 400 into 16. How much? 6,400. Amount invested is equal to 400 into 16, which is equal to 6,400. Next, you have to find out rate of dividend. So, dividend percent into face value is equal to return percent into market value. This formula is very useful wherever you can use it. So, D by 100 into face value 20 is equal to return percent 12 by 100 into 16. Calculate D is equal to 12 into 16 divided by 20. Answer. Huh? Is it 12%?
9.6.
Cancel 2 and 12 8s are 96 by 10, 9.6 percentage. %. Completed all of you? Yeah. Next one. Question number 6. Jumil.
A lady holds 1,800 rupees split share of a company that pays 15% dividend annually. Calculate her annual dividend. If she had bought the share at 40% premium, what is the return she gets as percent on her investment? Give her answer to the nearest.
So you have to find out the return percent only now. Okay. So you have, so write number of shares 1,800. Face value 100. Then rate of dividend 15%. Then next is, what is the next one? Market value. How much? 80. 40% dividend, no? Premium, no? 100 plus 40, 140.
Then what is this here?
Which one? If she bought these shares for 40, which question you reading? 40% premium, no? Yes or no? Okay. Therefore, so direct formula you can write now. Dividend percent into face value is equal to return percent into market value. So replace dividend percent into face value. How much? 15 by 100 into 100 is equal to return percent R by 100 into, you have to find out the return now, into market value is how much? 140. So cancel, so 15 into 100 by 140 equal to return percent. $75 by 7. How much? 1.7. 75 by 7, 1.7 or 10.7.
Given in the question.
Then did you get 1.7 or 10.7? 10.7%, which is equal to 11%, nearest integer. Be careful in divisions. 11%. They asked you the nearest integer, round off. Completed all of you? Okay. Done. Ananya, did you read any question? Read.
Mr. Sharma has 60 shares of nominal value rupees 100 and decides to sell them when they are at a premium of 60%. He invests the proceeds in shares of nominal value rupees 50 quoted at 4% discount and paying 18% dividend annually. Calculate the sale proceeds, the number of shares he buys and his annual dividend from the shares.
Okay. So, what is the first company? For the first company, number of shares 60, face value 100. Sarah doing done. Face value 100. Then here not market value, SP of one share. SP of one share is equal to 100 plus 60. How much? 160. Rate of dividend is not given. Next, therefore sale proceeds is equal to 60 into 160. How much? 60 into 160. How much you got? 9,600 rupees. That is the first answer. Now, for second company, sum invested 9,600. Nominal value or face value 50 for premium. Discount now. So, for market value 50 minus 4 by 100 into 50.
20.
Huh? For 50 minus 2, 48. 50 minus 4 by 100 into 50. 50 minus 2, 48. What? 50 minus.
I didn't understand the second company.
Second company sum invested you wrote.
Yes.
How much?
96.
Face value you wrote.
Yes.
50. Market value 50 minus 4 by 100 into 50. Yes or no? 50.
Why did you do this?
The discount, read the question. Why did you read means return or discount? Did you read? Which question you are doing, you know?
Premium is of 60%.
Where, which question you are doing, monkey? Sharma's company. 7 question. That is fixed question.
6th, sir.
Yeah, 6 is all. So you are still on lady only. We are thinking about Sharma.
Premium of 60%.
Where, sir? That is the first company over now.
You didn't do
Then-
anything of that 60%.
Then how did you get the market selling price you got? How did you get the selling price? 100 plus 60% when he sells, 60% when it is premium now. Okay, so 48. Therefore, number of shares equal to 9,600 by 48. Right fast, you wasted my 2 minutes. I have to complete this one.
So then,
As you said, finish it off. I cannot come other day to do this one. A match hour means first you do it. In between ladies to questions. Therefore, right, 9,600 divided by which one? 48. How much? 200. Okay. Next, after that, dividend, rate of dividend. How much? 18%.
highest hands of it.
So, number of 18%. Therefore, annual income is equal to NRF. 200 into 18 by 100 into 50. 200 into 18 by 100 into 50. How much? 209. 1,800 rupees. 1,800 rupees. Got it? Not it.
I'm skipping this question.
I'm skipping this question. Half you did not read.
I'll do it at home.
Completed all of you?
Yes.
Yeah. 7th one is done already. Sorry, just now you did. Now, 8th one, the which is better investment, one question you did now.
Yes.
The similar one, at last if we have time we will do, then let's do the 9th and 10th. These are the types of questions in our sales proceed type of questions. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Question here. Read. Question 9.
A man bought 360 10 rupee shares paying 12% per annum. He sold them when the price rose to rupees 29 and invested the proceeds in 5 rupee shares paying 4.5% per annum at 3.5 per share. Find the annual change in his income.
Okay. So there are two companies and sale proceeds now. So right. For the first company, write properly. For the first company, number of shares 360. Face value 10 rupees. Dividend percent 12%. Annual income NRF. Annual income is equal to NRF. 360 into 12 by 100 into 10. Hmm? 432 rupees. No. Sales. Okay. Selling price of one share 432 rod.
Yes.
SP of one share is equal to 21 rupees. Therefore, sale proceeds is equal to 360 into 21. 360 into 21.
Seven.
756.
7560. 7560. Okay. Then for the second company. For the second company, sum invested 7560. 7560. Face value 5 rupees. Rate of dividend 4.5%. Market value 3.50. 3.50 means 7 by 2. Therefore, number of shares is equal to 7560 divided by 3.50. 7560 by 3.5 means 7 by 2. 7 ones are 0, 8, 0. How much? 2160.
Yes.
2160. Annual income NRF is equal to 2160 into R is how much? 4.5, no? 4.5 100 into 5. Wrong. 50 to 9. 480. 486 rupees. 486. Therefore, change in annual income. 486 minus 432. 54 rupees profit or loss? 54 rupees profit. Completed all of you? There are some additional questions here to do. No sir. Actually, he will do all. Yeah.
Extra lecture will come. Then
Thank
I
you.
show you the whole figure.
Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Listen. Completed all of you?
Yes.
10 questions. Ari, you read the question. Well, where's your Ole? Then you have said receive, give it. Okay. Next one. Questions. Two babies are sitting and talking. You're calling auntie, calling. Yeah, Saxena, read the next question. Yeah.
Two brothers A and B with rupees 16,000 each in buying shares of two companies. Buy 3% 100 rupees shares at 80 and B buys 10 rupees shares at 5. If they both receive equal dividends at the end of the year, find the rate of percent of the dividend by
So there are two brothers out there. They are investing how much? 16,000 each. So you have to, okay, so right. Followed or not? So they have getting equal annual income. Then you have to find out the rate of dividend of B. So first right, brother A, sum invested.
16,000.
Sum invested is equal to 16,000. Written all of you. Then rate of dividend 3%. Face value. Face value is equal to 100 rupees. Market value 80 rupees. Therefore, number of shares 16,000 upon 80. 200. 16. Then annual income. NRL. 200 into 3 by 100 into 100. 600 rupees. Okay. Next. For B, brother B. Sum invested.
16,000.
16,000. By 10 rupee. Face value 10 rupee. Market value 10 rupee. Both are equal, par given. Therefore, number of shares 16,000 divided by 10. 1,600. Okay. Rate of dividend is not given. Now write annual income is equal to how much? 600. In bracket write annual incomes are equal. Annual income is equal to 600 because annual incomes are equal. Now formula, annual income is equal to NRF. Annual income is equal to NRF. 600 is equal to what is N? 1600 into R by 100 into 10. Cancel.
16.
R is equal to 600 by 160. 60 by 60. How much? 15 by
15, that's good.
answer. 100. Why? Huh? What is what till variant and why you not
So
giving?
3 by 4%.
3.75. Who got? What was the difficulty? What annual income of A and B are equal now? Did you read the question? They are both receive equal dividends. Annual income of A is equal to annual income of B. Annual income of A is how much? This one. Okay. Now, all of you, before look here, that homework exercise, I don't need to do this on question number 9. See one of the ways is given us. Abhijit, no need to take a book over. Okay. Read and identify what is it. A man sold 100 rupees 20 shares, 5% per annum at 18 and investor proceeds in 10, paying 7% at 12. Do you know this bracket and all is given? So what is the, you don't need to do that, just to understand what is the meaning. What is this 20? Face value of the first company. 400 is the number of shares, 5% is the dividend, and 18 rupees is the market value, sorry, selling price of one share. Then the same process now, the proceeds to the second company and all. The third is clear. Time is not there, right? So time is not there because another 5 minutes only. I wanted to do some more question from the this one previous year board questions and all. So since time is not there, we are not doing. So please do it. I hope shares and dividend is clear. You are able to do now. That question which is better investment, all of you can do now. I have made one question to do it. Yes or no? Over here already face value in this question is mentioned. 100 rupees and 80 and 100 rupees and 120 rupees.
What was the sum number?
Sum number is equal to 8. Okay. Understood? So this one similar one question we are done. So formula learn. What is that term? Nothing is done. Now, all of you listen here. Completed? Okay. Yeah, there is no other topics are over now. Yeah, listen to me. Yeah, first and foremost thing is listen carefully. Every topic we have done, this one, I think we have done all the topics, nothing is left out. Any part is left out, I don't think we have left out anything. All chapters are done. Now, look here. The first and foremost thing is, if you count, when is your board exam is starting? 18 February or 15, let's say count as 15 Feb. Before that your submission, some things are there now. Between their prelims are there. Some of the schools conduct 2 prelims. Even some schools more than 2 also, those who are not performing, there is another prelim also do. And some of the schools again, Ryan is coming, the semester is there, after that how many prelims are there? 1 or 2? 2 prelims. So that means now from here, now today is the 10th November, from here imagine there are 3 set of exams, after that your board examination. One set of exam, it says almost around 15 days. That means 45 days itself is coming as exam time, 15 more than that much. So out of that many time is gone, and between you cannot revise anything, you can study something based on that one only. Why I am telling this one means these are the days you have to sit and seriously do it. We have completed the portion does not mean that you have done everything. Our side we have done the work. We have completed. We generally try to complete before November, but due to some problem we could not complete. But still we are on time. I think all other subjects also done. Some partially only you have to do. Okay. Now, please revise. First and foremost thing is here for your board examination. First and remember, board examination percentages are ages and ages. It's very important. Whatever you say, I am doing this, that, this activities I done, that activities. Till now also, whether your parent or anyone, they ask you what is your percentage and getting admissions and all based on the percentages. Understood? That you remember. Even I tell you the board examination percentages are very important. Even after you get the job. These are sometimes it's some important things are there for a long time. They will check what is your 10th standard performance, 12th standard performance and all. These are the landmark performances are there. So you have to do well. For that one you have to prepare. Now for the ICSE students, I know that a lot of exams compared to CBSE and all, there are number of topics are more, number of subjects are more, examination you have less time only. Focus in your Selena. Only the question from the Selena you can complete it. Okay, that publications you have to do it, At least, if not, you cannot do means at least first 10, 15, 10%, 10% at least do. There are people must have completed. And they revise every chapter by chapter. When you revise the chapters, revision means not reading and all. Right? Written practice is required for maths. Mainly solving the sums only to do. So, and again, quite a lot of people are making mistake, making problem in your which one MCQs and all. So be careful, practice is required. So revise, when you revising, you come to know, yes, I am facing problem. Once today somebody came, sir, similarity has a problem. There are this way, there are chapters are there, lot of people facing the problem. Proving identities, I tell you the problem facing one similarity, proving trigonometrical identities, like that chapters will come. Even some of you have volume surface area problems are there. Some of you have the circle problem. Whichever the problems, if certain sums only are there, come for the doubt solving sessions. If you are not able to do a chapter means, come for the extra lectures. In the extra lectures, we will clarify. Limited time only, so please specify these are my problems. They will clarify the problems and all. Second part, beyond that, UT will be giving you mock tests. Please appear mock test, not to make the mock test, some of the people have to meet the friends. You will come over here, sometimes 4 o'clock exam is there, half an hour after that roam here and there. Please don't do it. Remember in a day, one day of one day, if you are wasting means, at least a percentage is decreased for you. That way you think. At least a percentage, minimum 1% will be decreased, so that your percentages will come down. So, seriously think, seriously practice so that you can do. There are a lot of people can do very well. Okay, still time is there, so do it. And prove yourself, yes, I am capable, I did my best. Okay, that will be. Any problems, difficulties are there, please let us know so that we will do your problems and difficulties. That is all. Hope you will do well. These are the papers, who is it? Arya. Vedant. Again Vedant. This is what? That's the easy.
It was lying down.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Yeah. Chalo, bye bye. Thank you. Extra lecture you apply for
Thank you.